Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump cuts with your Insta360 camera. Jump cuts are a powerful editing technique that removes small, often unnecessary, sections of a video. This creates a sudden, yet intentional jump in the action, making your footage feel more energetic and concise. It's perfect for highlighting key moments and maintaining a brisk pace, ensuring your audience stays captivated from start to finish. Let's dive into how to master this skill. Effective jump cuts begin with thoughtful planning during your shoot. Aim to capture continuous footage, but ensure there are clear, natural breaks or changes in action where a cut could occur. For instance, if you are filming a person walking, shoot them from 3 or 4 different angles. Keeping your lighting and camera settings consistent across these shots is crucial for a seamless look. Think about the story you want to tell and how each segment will flow into the next. Now, let's move to the editing process within the Insta360 app. First, import your desired footage into the project timeline. Carefully scrub through your video to identify the exact moments where you want to implement a jump cut. Use the trimming tools to remove the small in-between segments. For example, you might cut out 2 or 3 seconds of a static shot. Preview your edited sequence multiple times to ensure the transitions are sharp, and the overall flow is exactly what you envisioned. To elevate your jump cut game, try some advanced techniques. Experiment with the duration of your cuts. Sometimes a very short cut, less than 1 second, is more impactful. Consider pairing jump cuts with speed ramps, where you briefly speed up or slow down footage around the cut point, creating a truly dynamic effect. Don't forget the power of sound design. A well-placed sound effect can amplify the impact of your jump. Consistent practice will refine your eye for these powerful edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.